You're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about Malabar Rebellion. Now the non-cooperation movement was in full swing during this period of time. It was particularly strong in Malabar, where the Mopilas were agitated over Khilafat issue. As I already said, 1919 was the year when Khilafat movement started. And after the demands of Khilafat committee was not met, the Khilafat committee started under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement. Now this was strong in Malabar where Mopilas were agitated. The Gandhian movement had a tremendous impact in Kerala, and that's why this rebellion is important to understand. With large numbers joining the Satyagraha campaign, Gandhiji visited Malabar in 1921. It's an important historic development, giving further impetus to the movement. Khilafat committee sprang up in large numbers, and the fraternity between the Hindus and Muslims through the work in Congress Khilafat committee was truly remarkable feature of the non-cooperation movement in Kerala. So non-cooperation movement, Khilafat committee workings in association with Hindus and Muslims was completely never seen before. The speed at which the Khilafat agitation spread, especially in Arnad and Valuvan taluks, created alarm in the official circles. A perplexed officialdom clamped down the prohibitory orders in the two talukas. Meetings were banned and many people were arrested in the name of law and order. So the British government was scared and reacted in a very agitated manner. The tragic episode then ensued, and this is the time when this tragedy happened, namely the Mopila Rebellion or the Malabar Rebellion of 1921. Now the police attempted to arrest the secretary of Khilafat committee of Pokutur and Ernad on a charge of having stolen a pistol. So this was the trigger of this revolution, this rebellion. A crowd of 2,000 Mopilas from neighborhood foiled the attempt. So they could not arrest this person, the secretary. The next day, a police party in search of Khilafat rebels enters the famous Mambaram Mosque at Tirungudi. Okay. So the police party in search of Khilafat rebels, they entered Mambaram Mosque. They seized some records and arrested few Khilafat volunteers. A rumor spread that the mosque was desecrated, and this was something which was not accepted. Hundreds of rustic Mopilas converged on Tirungadi and besieged the local police station. The people were agitated. The rumor spread caused so much of hatred in the hearts of people that they went and they besieged the police station. The police opened fire, the mob reacted in a mad fury. Violence spread and engulfed Ernad and Valuvanar taluks and neighboring areas over 2 months. So the violence continued for around 2 months. Congress leaders tried in vain to check the violence towards the later stages of the rebellion, owing to the unfound rumor of Hindus having helped the police or sought police help. There were instances of atrocities perpetuated on Hindus as well. This marred the relationship between the two communities. Meanwhile, British and Gurkha regiments was rushed to the areas. Martial law was clamped, a series of repressive measures followed, and by November the rebellion was practically crushed. Relief operations in the ravaged areas undertaken mostly by voluntary agencies which received help and funds from Gandhiji lasted over 6 months. Now what is this Wagon tragedy? The epilogue, in the sense that it came to be known only later, was that the Wagan tragedy, in which 61 out of 70 Mopila prisoners packed in a closed railway goods wagon and carried to Coimbatore jails, died of suffocation on November 10, 1921. In the wake of suppression of Malabar rebellion and until almost the end of the decade, struggle purely for political freedom was on a low key. And this is why this movement and this rebellion was so important for you to understand in clarity, in detail. So I hope this video would have been very informative and you must have learned this important rebellion.